Easily convert popular recipes to our guided format. When you're searching for recipes or browsing through our curated collections, you'll see recipes from some of the top blogs and websites. Quickly and easily convert these recipes to Fresco's smart format in the app to enjoy guided and connected cooking. There's going to be no ads, no pop-ups, and no long stories to scroll through. So let's look at an example. As you can see with this easy green curry with chicken and bell peppers, I'm taken over to this Epicurious blog post. So you see there's pop-ups, I can't even see the full recipe, and it's in your traditional recipe format. I can simply select View Smart Recipe, and Fresco removes all of the pop-ups, and we're finding the directions to be able to put them into a smart recipe format. And here you go. You can see the number of serving sizes, the total amount of time. We've been able to extract all of the ingredients and tell you all of the tools that you'll need. And then you can start cooking.